quiero que sepan y que escuchen la experiencia que él ha tenido. Mira aquí, yo lo voy a ver. Le ayudará a otro porque hay gente que no cree. Y no solo personas cristianas ahora, no sé, los santos que significa de uno.
Se siente, ¿verdad? All right, folks. This is the complete version of the makeover for the house, and this is the new vinyl they put here, they install, and all this good stuff. And see all the way back here, if you guys can remember, this is where the refrigerator sits. And I asked them so can cut a rug for me here, so as soon as I get up from the snow, I can't be dragging the snow all the way inside the house. You guys can see. This is what they do now. I don't know if it's that much safety. I hope it's not gonna trip, because the metal is right there, and all the way they have to come put some of the trims there. It's missing there, and the trim is missing right there, so they have to come back and do some stuff here. But this is the entryway. As soon as you get inside the house, this is how it's gonna look like. You know, let me get through the door here, and this is the entryway. So as soon as you walk in the house, this is how it's gonna look like. And all the way, like I said, they have to put a trim on the sides, so everything is gonna be nice and neat. Right here, see, new carpet. All the walls are brand new, all painted. See, folks, the house is all empty. I hope you guys can hear everything resonate, echoes, reverb, that's the word. So you guys can see all the way, new walls and everything. So we have to rearrange the house again. I have to fix. So I run on a radiator. I gotta get that panel. It's right there. I'm gonna put it back in. This refrigerator is gonna be back over there in the kitchen. So folks, this is all done. The breaker box is painted right there. I'm gonna lock that one, and this is how the house look like. Clean and nice, nice, clean. Everything is scattered around the house, and all to the bedrooms and all that stuff. And it's not all done yet. They're coming back and do the bathrooms are all done. Yeah, they have a new vinyl here, right here. I don't want to turn the light on because it's a daylight. It's gonna throw off the color. It's not. It doesn't look good. So this is how it looks like. Everything is new, and the paint, all the walls in the bathroom, they're all painted, and everything. It's a complete makeover, complete, a lot of work. So JW Solar is really busy with all this craziness running. I still have wires here for my network system, everything. This other side, that's the old carpet right there. They're gonna be working on that room, and the other master bedroom. So they just did all the kitchen, the living room, dining, and the bathroom. So I have more to go. The master bedroom and all the good stuff, and the walls are all painted for all the bathrooms and for all the bedrooms except one. The other bedroom is not even done yet. And the master bedroom bathroom is completed. So this is how everything looks like. Everything looks nice, beautiful. I still have to paint my surround sound systems there, everything. So folks, you guys have seen my house, and now you see a glance of it, but it's not like everything. I'm not showing you all the mess and everything, but I have all my lightings and everything, So I'm gonna put back all the thing for the radiator over there. Gets everything situated here, and this is how I'm gonna wrap up the thing. And I think the general likes it that much. They have to put some trim over there, like I said. I gotta fix that one, get new ones, and everything seems to be okay. Well, it's a lot of work, since Friday. Subscribe, like, and share from JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching.